You do this by yourself? No, you won't.
I already did
It's too dark.
I feel like a little girl.
You are.
I see you. Once I started moving that in the woods, I'm running.
You're gonna see a lot of deers. Well, if I take you to the place I told you that I found, yeah, it's some deer. No problem.
Okay, I heard movement.
Me too.
Okay. Come on, be a man.
I see something white in you.
Okay, I feel safer next to you.
That's fine. She's supposed to protect her, man. She's supposed to be in the middle.
Don't worry.
What?
Somebody got it. Can we start